Alright, Mike at Riverview Turfworks here. Gonna do a before and after little video of kind of like a fall cleanup and mulch installation at this house. Front yard. These 3 trees are getting the old mulch removed because it's too deep, and also getting a metal ring put around it to create a bed. Front flower bed is having some new mulch installed. The weeds will be pulled, and as well as whatever plants need trimmed will get trimmed. Alright, in the backyard here, I already got part of it done before the video started, but there was another arborvitae up in that corner that was dead, so we took it out. Vine hanging off the fence, took it out. Did a small canopy lift on the 3 trees that are in the backyard. These 2 flower beds in the lower backyard aren't getting anything done to them, but pretty much everything else is going to get the weeds pulled in each bed. Leaves cleaned out, of course, and whatever needs trimmed is going to be trimmed, and then new mulch installed. Alright, so this job got all wrapped up. So you got the metal rings around the trees out front. New mulch installed, it's dark brown. This job ran $1,335. Give you an idea to compare to your place if you're wondering how much something like this costs. Get around to the back here in a second and show you what got done back there. Got the beds cleaned out, new mulch installed, shrubs trimmed, all the leaves mulched up, trees up on the hill there, got a small canopy lift, got the stuff cleaned out of the corner, and this bed also got cleaned out.